Ever wanted a magic pill? I don't have one of those, but I've got something close. Hi, I'm Patrick Dermody, and I work at Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, where I'm the Director of Medical Services. And we're going to be looking into the world of peptides. Now you might be asking yourself, what is a peptide? They're nothing more than just little snips off of a protein, and they're already floating around in your body. But what we've been able to do is isolate that little portion of the protein that makes your body do something that we want it to do. So maybe we're looking to improve your athletic performance, maybe we're looking to improve your immune system, or maybe just look a little bit younger. Well, these peptides open up the world that makes that possible. So if you're interested, join me and Dr. Carrozzella where you will learn how to use these peptides and what ways they can fit inside of your life.